people binge eat because it allows themselves to be angry at themselves, because they are not taught to be angry when they're younger. Stop being so sensitive. Shut up. Stop crying. Man up. Grow a pair. You're not allowed to be angry. Stop shouting. The issue is that this translates into us never being able to release it, so we repress it, and therefore we find other activities to express that anger through. And a lot of the time that can be through binge eating or emotional eating. Because we then allow ourselves to be angry at ourselves, because that is safer.